In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a login page in Squarespace. We'll be setting this up through Squarespace's membership features, which is a simple way to create a members-only area with a built-in login experience. I'll walk you through the full process so you can not only create the page, but also customize it and prepare it for access control. To get started, go to your Squarespace dashboard and click on Website. From there, click on Pages so you can manage the structure of your site. Once you're inside the Pages area, look under Main Navigation and click the plus icon to add a new page or section. When the menu opens, choose Content and Memberships. This is the area Squarespace uses for gated content and member access. Next, click on Member Site. At this point, Squarespace will prompt you to choose a template. Select the template that best fits the kind of member area you want to create. The template gives you a starting layout, and you can adjust it later, so don't worry too much about making it perfect right away. After selecting the template, edit the name of the member site. This is useful because the page title should match the purpose of your login or members area, making it easier to manage and clearer for your visitors. Once that's done, click Edit. Now you can begin customizing the content inside the member area. This is where you can update text, layout, and any visible content your members will see after logging in. Take a moment here to make sure the page feels clear and branded to your site, since this area often becomes an important part of the user experience. When you finish editing, click Exit to return to the member site settings. If you want to expand the area further, click Add Page. You can add more pages inside the member section if you prefer, which is helpful if you want separate pages for resources, courses, downloads, or exclusive updates. Next, click Add a Pricing Plan. This is an important part of the setup because member access in Squarespace is usually connected to a plan. Then click Create Pricing Plan to begin configuring it. Now enter the name of your pricing plan. Choose something clear and easy to understand, since this is what potential members may see before signing up. After that, enter a description. Use this space to explain what the plan includes so visitors know what they're getting access to. Finally, select whether the plan will be a fixed amount or a subscription. A fixed amount works well for one-time access, while a subscription is better for recurring memberships. Once you choose the option that fits your setup, your Squarespace login and membership structure is essentially in place, and you can continue refining it based on how you want users to access your content.